So I'm walking now. Where do I go? Here. How can I go? Like this one. This is the park. Park is a river now. Small lake now. See? This is the park. Going to the other side. The river is overflowing. Even in this side, how can you go here? On the bridge, the water is overflowing. See? Overflowing. How can I go here in the overflowing here? This is the houses here at Applewood Park. This is the park now. It's a lake now. The swing is the water is swinging, eh? On the swing, the water. The swing. And the water is swinging. See. It's a huge, surprising rain. Come on. It's ridiculous rain. This is the creek. The river is overflowing now here at the park. Here in Applewood Hills.